Hi, bonjour, hola, I'm Angelique. Je suis Angelique. Soy Angelique, the DIY Beauty Angel. Step into my world where vintage charm meets timeless beauty secrets. With the help of my beauty angels,
Gracias, Angelique.
we're here to guide you on a journey to discover the power of self-care, skincare, and hair care, all through the magic of DIY. As someone with over 2 decades of experience as a professional model, I've learned that true beauty starts with taking care of yourself. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good inside and out. That's why I'm excited to share my love for natural beauty secrets with you. Join me as we dive into the world of homemade beauty products that are better for you and the environment. Together, we'll explore the simple yet effective recipes, DIY tutorials, and expert tips to help you create your own natural beauty arsenal. From rejuvenating face masks, to luxurious hair treatments, to internal health recipes, we've got you covered. Oh, and did I mention that our videos are not only available in English, but in French and Spanish too, for the beauty enthusiasts from all over the corners of the world, so they can be a part of this transformative beauty journey too. In advance, I want to apologize to my native French and Spanish speakers for my mess ups, because English is my first language, but I'm thrilled to be able to share my passion with you in your native tongues. Well, I'm going to try to. So get ready to unleash your inner beauty goddess. Subscribe to DIY Beauty Angel today. Go ahead, click that button. You can follow us on Instagram for even more beauty inspiration. Don't miss out on a single moment of DIY Beauty Angel as we make one homemade potion at a time. See you soon.